Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. In today's video, we're doing a cook and bake with me, and I'm getting started on the cookies first. I'm making chocolate chips cookies, so I just mix the oil and the sugar together until they're well incorporated. And I'm now gonna add an egg and mix it in as well. This is how the batter is looking once the egg is well mixed in. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add some of my dry ingredients, the salt and also the raisin agent. I rather add them into the wet batter than to mix them with the flour. I find that they mix a lot better when you just put it in the wet batter first before the flour. I have my chocolate. I don't like chocolate chips. I rather real chocolate in my cookies. And so now I'm adding in the flour a half at a time, mixing it up, and then add the rest in. Now that the flour is mixed in, one of the last steps is to chop these chocolates in and add it in. I love to bite into a cookie and have a good chunk of chocolate, and this chocolate melts as well, so you get a little bit of gooiness to it. So the chocolate is added in. I'm gonna try to mix it up and make sure that every cookie has a decent amount of chocolate. I'm going to then place it in the fridge for about an hour. The cookies comes out a lot better when you leave it in the fridge for a while. This is the finished cookie batter. If it wasn't for the egg in it, I would have eaten it just like that. Next up, we're going to be making shepherd's pie, and I'm going to go ahead and peel and dice these potatoes. I'm now going to cut up the veggies for the mincemeat. I have some carrots, some red tomatoes, some green tomatoes, and flavor pepper. I put the potatoes on, and I just added added some seasoning to it, and I'm about to add in the minced chicken. Once the minced chicken is halfway cooked, I'm gonna add in the veggies and then let it cook for a while before I add in some seasoning and ketchup. I did not have any tomato sauce with me, so I'm just using what I have, and it always works with the ketchup. I added a cup of water to the minced chicken, and I'm gonna cover it down and let the veggies cook. And when the sauce is reduced and it's thickened, I'm gonna take it off. I'm now going to the potatoes are finished. I'm going to drain the water and I'm going to mash my potatoes. So now I'm going to assemble the dish together. At first I placed the minced meat in a round pan and realized it was too much. So that's why I transferred it to this, I think it's a 9x13 pan. This is how it's looking. I'm now just going to grate some cheese on top of it and place it in the oven for about, I want to say 30 to 35 minutes along with the cookies. The cookie batter has been in the fridge for over an hour. I'm now going to place them on this pan and place them in the oven for about 15 to 18 minutes. I like mine to be very crispy on the outside and gooey on the inside. These are the cookies after they've baked. They have expanded so much, and as I said, the recipe will be in the description box. Go ahead and check it out. These cookies are perfect every single time. Moving on to the side dishes, I'm just going to prep it with you guys and just place it on the stove and let it do its thing. So I'm just showing you everything I'm putting in to each dish. And so the first thing I'm doing is some beans. I like sweetness to my beans. I'm just adding some seasoning first for flavor, and then I'm gonna be adding some ketchup and some sugar. Next, I'm gonna add about 2/3 cup of water, and I'm gonna place it on the stove and let it cook for about until the water is reduced and the sauce is thick. Next, I'm gonna be making some rice. So this is a tip for if you're doing white rice. I use 4 cups of water to every 1 cup of rice. So I'm now just seasoning my water, and I'm gonna add a garlic clove to it and just put the rice on and let it cook and for about 10 to 15 minutes. I'm now going to blanch some vegetables I had on hand and let them cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. I am doing some raw veggies, carrots and cabbage, and I'm also cutting up some cucumber. So I'm going to place the raw veg in the refrigerator until everything is finished. The shepherd's pie is finished. It's very crispy on the sides of it, and it was just delicious. So this is how everything is looking once they're cooked. This is the blanched vegetables, and this is the stew peas, and we also have the white rice. So let's put together my plate and give a taste test. I made some fresh pineapple juice. If you guys saw the video before this, you will see how I prepare this. So this is how my plate is looking, very colorful, and let's get a taste test. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed preparing these meals, and if you guys like it, please thumbs up, subscribe down below, share and comment, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.